George Albers here at Wondries Toyota, and today we're going to unbox the 2023 Toyota Tacoma OEM lift kit. We're going to get right into it. Ooh, this is nice. I'm going to assume this is the rear. There are three things to me that stand out the most. Number one, the appearance. It stays true to the Toyota red, TRD. Number two, it gives you 2-inch lift in the front, 1-inch lift in the rear. And number three, my favorite, it's built by Bilstein. Let's get into more unboxing. Woo! Nice! Just kidding, it's just hardware. Comes with fog light cover, 1-inch spacer in the rear, and U-bolts. And last but not least, let's see what's in the big box. The fan favorite, the TRD Toyota Grill. So there you have it, folks, the unboxing of the 2023 Toyota Tacoma lift kit, available here at Wondries Toyota. See you next time for the next unboxing.